Right, okay. So let's discuss one by one till others join. And authentication is required because then that is the mechanism to identify the right user. So authenticated user means the user have the privileges or the rights to visit that page or visit that or access that resource. Authentication කියන්නේ ඒක. යා ඒ කියන්නේ හරි user අඳුර ගන්න තමයි authentication පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. එතකොට හොර users ලට එන්න බෑ.
So authorization කියන්නේ ඒකටද sir?
දැන් authorization and authentication two things. ඒක advanced ටිකක් පුතේ. ඒත් දැන් ඔයා අහපු හින්දා මම උත්තරයක් දෙන්නම්. authentication කියලා කියන්නේ right person ද කියන එක. මේ හරි username password හරියට type කරොත් authentication හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා කාගේ හරි username එකක් අරගෙන username password හරියට type කරනවා. Then you are authenticated. You are identified as the correct user. Authorization කියලා කියන්නේ so even you have the authentication, you don't have authorization to do something. But what do you mean by that? You go inside the camp. Camp එකකට යනකොට ඔයාව authenticate කරලා මෙයාගේ පුතා තමයි මේ ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. ඇතුළට යන්න කියලා එක් කරන් යනවා. Authenticated. Authorize කියන්නේ හැබැයි ඔයා ඇතුළට ගියත් ඔයාට යන්න බැරි තැන් තියෙනවා. ආයුධ ගබඩාවට වගේ ඔයාට යන්න බෑ. So that is authorizing. Authentication means is it a correct user? Authorization means can he access that resource? Understood? It's a bit advanced since you have asked
Yes, sir.
that's only I explained, right? Authorization is
Thank
not
you, sir.
authentication. Authentication you need it to go inside. Authorization means whether you have access or not. Okay, so authentication, if you have authentication, you can log into Windows. But you don't have authorization to format C drive. When you try to format C drive here in this computer, if I try to format C drive, it says you don't have authorization to do that. So let me go that.
I can't see that you're doing it.
Can you see the screen or not? Hello?
Can you see the screen? I mean,
Can see.
Can see, sir.
we can't see your computer.
Which
I
one?
mean, we can only see three PNG transparent. Now we can see.
Okay.
Now can.
Because
No can.
right here, if I right click in the C drive, if I select format, it says you cannot format this drive. It contains version of Windows that you are using. Formatting this volume could cause computer to stop working. So you don't have authorization to do it. I am authenticated to log in, but I don't have authorization to do that. So that is more clear now, I think. Right? Okay, let's move.
Yes, sir.
Okay, backups. Why you need backups? Backups means copies. Why you need copies?
In case of virus attacks,
Like for viruses.
Yes, in case of virus attack, if some virus came to your computer and damaged your files, then you don't have mechanism to recover. Even you can send the virus or you can remove the virus. Similar to this coronavirus එක දැන් ඇඟ ඇතුළට ආවට පස්සේ we can kill the virus. But the damage caused by the virus, can we recover that? It's difficult to recover the damage caused by the particular virus.
Yes.
So that is something to be remembered. And here also the same thing. The virus you can remove, but the damage done by that virus, maybe you cannot remove that. That's why keeping copies is important. But we can't keep copies of us. අපේ copy එකක් තියාගන්න බෑ. Therefore, you have to be careful from this COVID before it damage your organs, right? You have to be careful. So mostly you all are healthy, young people. So you have good system which support that you have nutrition and all these things. You have good system, young system which support attacking the virus back. So therefore you are safe. But all people, they are more vulnerable. Right. Okay. So backups. So I would like to tell something here. Have you heard about encryption? And
I
cryptovirus.
have heard a word like that, but I don't know the meaning.
Encryption and cryptoviruses. Have you heard the term encryption and cryptovirus? Encryption means something like this. I want to meet you tomorrow at Cafe 59.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Do you want to write this?
No need. Wait. I just explaining this, right? No need to
Okay,
write
okay,
this.
sir.
This is like advanced concept. So here you can see the message. I want to meet you tomorrow at Cafe 59. I'm going to rewrite this message. I space want NT space to space meet T space at space CAFE space 59. I wrote the same thing. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite that in a sequential order this way. Now, can you read the message, the second message? Can you read the message, the second one? This one?
Can't.
I not C5MTM 9A EA
Can.
can read but cannot understand. Can read but cannot understand. So this is so basically
Not mean.
yeah, not meaningful. This was the strategy used by Julius Caesar in Second World War. Right? So what he has done,
What?
Julius.
I didn't understand.
Have you heard of Julius Caesar?
Yes, sir.
Cartoon Caesar.
Yes, sir.
The asterisks, obliques, and this, you know,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
This was the one used by Caesar in World War. So why? Because when he sent message through messenger, not this Yahoo Messenger or WhatsApp, right? Messenger means a person sending the message. That the enemies captured the messengers and they used to read the message which is sent by Caesar's army. Right? Then Caesar wanted to actually use some mechanism to stop passing this military information to the enemies. So what Caesar did, Caesar used to write the message in some, this is that mechanism is called monoalphabetic Caesar cipher. He used to write the characters using some other characters and send the message. Now enemies captured the messengers, but the thing is they couldn't read the message because it is encrypted. So encryption means simply using the original message, generating some other message which is not meaningful. That is called encryption. Cryptoviruses mean viruses which do the same. So that virus come to your computer, you might have experience, right? That virus will come to your computer and it will encrypt your files. Maybe your picture files, your video files, so that when you double click, the virus says the file is locked, you can't read the file. So pay us this amount, then we will enable or we will decrypt back and give it to you. Understood? Right? That virus, yes,
Yes, sir.
so dangerous. That virus is so dangerous because it will try to blackmail you, saying that your data has encrypted by us. If you need that data back, you have to pay us and get that back. But don't think that after paying you will get the data. It's also unreliable. So, but if you get this kind of virus, no way to recover your data. You can't get your data back. So only thing that you can do, delete everything, take that data from the backup. That is the only thing that you can do. Delete everything and use your backup. So this was attacked. This was the attack used in last year, actually 2019-20. Lot of computers, companies, organizations got this kind of attack using a cryptovirus. Phones or mobile phone. So then if you don't have a backup of your mobile phone pictures, videos, then you will lose that. So that's why before clicking these malicious links, you have to think twice. Right?
Excuse me, sir.
Just this, sir. Yes.
ඇත්තටම සල්ලි
සල්ලි ගෙවුවම දෙන්නේ නැහැ සමහර වෙලාවට. සල්ලි ගෙවලා ගන්නත් බෑ. ඒකම විශ්වාස කරන්න බෑ. අපි කොහොමද විශ්වාස කරන්නේ? So only solution is just format your computer, delete everything and restate back to the normal state. Right? If you got this kind of virus, that is too dangerous. Unlike other viruses, right? It will damage your data. Right? Tinura, don't worry. Right? Tinura, don't worry. So you can use the video, Pute. So if I repeat that, that is a long story. That's why. So that is not relevant to you, but I said that importance of backups. In case if viruses damage, these cryptoviruses are so dangerous. If these viruses damage your data, you can recover that from the backups because you can't take your file back. You can't pay. They're asking for a lot of money, right? You can't pay. So, okay.
How much money?
So it's like millions, right? So you're asking millions of money to pay that. But rather than doing that, it's better to format the computer. Okay. So then avoid clicking, share. So avoid clicking and sharing malicious, suspicious links. The reason is this. The reason is this. In case if you click this link, sometimes it can be a virus. If you click this link, someone can access your mobile phone, right? So, there are mechanisms to access the front camera and back camera of your mobile phone from anywhere in the world. It is possible, right? It is possible to access front camera and back. Sorry?
Hackers.
Yes, it's possible to hack front camera and back camera. ඒක hack කරනකොට වෙන එකක් තියා ඔයාලට පෙන්වන්නේවත් නැහැ. හරිද? camera එක on කියලා පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාගේ phone එක off වගේ පෙන්වන්නේ. අර screen එක off වගේ පෙන්වන්නේ. But you can access the back camera and front camera both. ඔගොල්ලෝ දැකලා ඇති සමහර දැන් even Mark Zuckerberg, some famous people, they have taped their cameras. Web cameras tape කරලා තියෙන tape එකක් ගහලා තියෙනවා. මොකද තියෙනවා එක එක විදි ඒ cameras access කරන්න. Tape එකක් ගැහුවම ඉතින් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Even they access, they cannot see anything. Right? But you can't tape your mobile phone's front camera and back camera. Then it's silly, Can't tape. So, but be careful because it can be. So one link එකක් click කරපු ගමන් ඕනනම් ඒ විදිහට cameras activate කරන්න පුළුවන්. So maybe hackers can download entire documents, all the SMSs from your mobile phone. Hackers can download after that click. Hackers can download all the links, all the SMSs, all the contacts of your mobile phone. That is possible. So that can be done, but I'm not going to teach you how, but that can be done. So remember that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Right. Then malware scanners. So that is another thing. Malware scanners can be used to detect these things. Right? These are related, right? Authentication is required to identify the user. Backups to protect your documents, and avoiding these links very important because then you can stop these viruses and these other kind of malware. And in case if you cannot stop කරගන්න බැරි වුණා කියමුකෝ. බැරි වුණා නම් what you have to do is you have to scan your computer. So one example I gave you this last week also, Malwarebytes. You can use Malwarebytes to check your computer for malware, right? And avoid visiting dangerous websites. So some websites are dangerous. Your browser will warn that, right? Your browser will warn that before visiting that website. It will warn this site is dangerous. So refrain from visiting such websites because it's really, really dangerous. Sometimes visiting that website can damage, sometimes it's enough to damage your computer because that can activate some viruses, malwares, and leaks. Yes, I know how to do that, but I'm not going to tell you that, right? Because that is too dangerous. Because if you just Google it, you can find you have to use a Linux version like Kali Linux, and you have to plant small rat.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube you can use, but you have to plant small rat remote access tool called rat in a server, and then you have to actually pass that rat link to the link as a malicious link to the user and allow that user to click that link. When they click that, once they click that, you can access their mobile phone. There's a mechanism to do that. Even I have done that as a test, but so don't do that. That's dangerous, right? Don't use especially don't use tools in the internet, right? You have to create your own tool. Don't use tools in the internet. Then that tool itself damage your mobile phone. In the tools use කරන්න බා tools තියෙනවා internet එකේ ඒවා දාගන්න එපා. අනිත් අයගේ cameras access කරනවා කියලා. Then you ultimately your mobile phone will be vanished. Okay, the last thing is avoid disclosing sensitive information. That you have to remember. Don't disclose your PIN number. If someone is asking, then over bank calling him ever no. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ PIN numbers වෙන කවුරු හරි අහුවට දෙන්න එපා. Name and addresses. Unless it is collected purposely, don't give the name, addresses, telephone numbers to others. If it is purposefully collected for a class or some other reason, registration purpose, yes. But the account details, these are also dangerous, right? If you provide details without knowing the purpose, that is dangerous. Sometimes they will ask, okay, now you won a lottery. You have to share your account details. To get actually obtain money. To get money, you have to share your account details. Maybe you have to share your PIN number of your ATM card. Maybe they are asking photo of your card. So don't do that ever, right? Don't send photo of your card. Then you are gone. Why? අර ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ අම්මලාගේ තාත්තලාගේ එහෙම කාඩ්ස් වල කොපි ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහලා නිකන් වැරදිලාවත් තියාගන්නවත් එපා. ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහගෙන මොනවා හරි ඒ ෆොටෝ එකක් එළියට ගියා කියන ඉවරයි. So here සමහර වෙලාවට ෂෙයා කරනවා හරිද ක්‍රෙඩිට් කාඩ් එකක ෆොටෝ එකක් වැරදිලාවත් යවන්න. මොකද මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන නම්බර් එකයි අනිත් පැත්තේ තියෙන කෝඩ් එකක්. That is called CVC code. මෙච්චරයි ඕන කාඩ් එකේ නම්බර් එකයි මෙන්න මේ date එකයි there's something called CVC code. ඒක තියෙන්නේ back side එකේ.
Excuse me, sir.
This one. Yes.
Sir, sometimes we want username too.
Yeah, sometimes you name, but this is enough, right? If you send these details, PIN number, date, and the card CVC, you're gone. Anyone can do transaction using your card now. After that, sometimes you might need passcode that will come to your mobile, but there are some occurrences without that even they can use your card. So there are some places without that even it's possible to use the card. Okay, with that discussion, so I'm going to
Excuse me, sir.
yes. If you have any question, you can ask now before we finish. Okay, then I think you have no questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Sal, if you have a question, you can ask. Yes. Okay, I think we can stop now. Right? We can stop now. Then good night. See you all in the next week.
Sir, අපි දන්නේ නැති app එකකට අපි
sir.
account username එකයි password එකයි දුන්නොත් ඒගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් ද අපේ account එකට log වෙලා බලන්න?
ඔව් පුළුවන්. දන්නේ නැති ඇප් වලට දෙන්න එපා.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye sir, good night sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you sir.
Good night. Bye.